Watch your step right there, easy now.
Check the immunization record for this one.
It was administered last week. Everything is up to date.
Easy now, just checking your skin. Looks clear.
It seems to be working perfectly.
Yes, the distribution is very even.
Aren't you a handsome fella? You like that, don't you?
Goat 42, healthy coat, strong legs. Recording confirmed. Moving to the next one.
The sole is in good condition. Comparing the wear pattern now. Yes, consistent with the data.
Sector Gamma feeders are active. All personnel remain clear of the gates.
The spray cycle is active. Ensure the water temperature remains stable.
Pressure levels are optimal. Increasing duration by 30 seconds.
Let's get this rinsed off. There we go, much better pressure now.
Oye, Oilia, mira este. Está muy limpio ahora.
Sí, parece que sí. Buen trabajo.
You're such a good goat. We'll have you sparkling in no time.
Enough for the line today.
Already checked the main ones. We're good to go. Let's get started.
To the next stage.
Okay, pull left.
Right. Make sure the edges are flat.
What do you think of this spot right here?
Scanning it now. The quality seems consistent across the membrane.
Flow rate steady. Coverage confirmed. Moving to section 3.
Keep it tight, keep rolling. Okay, slide it over, watch the machine.
Temperature is stable at 10.5 degrees Celsius. All parameters checked.
Make sure you get the edges. Okay, I'm moving to the center now.
Keep an eye on that edge right there, seems a little rough.
Yeah, I see it.
The pressure might be slightly off on that nozzle.
Okay, lowering the hide into vat 3. Steady now.
See how the tight grain is revealed once the short hairs are scraped away.
Look how clean this section is. Yeah. Yes, the jets are working perfectly today. We can move this batch to the drying line.
The cycle time on vat 3 is running 15 minutes ahead of schedule. We need to monitor the pH levels closely.
Easy, bring it down slow.
Watch your side, it's swinging.
All right, it's secure now.
The humidity levels look stable in zone 3.
Good, we are on schedule for the next batch.
The grain consistency is perfect on this batch. We are running at 2.2 millimeters.
This is why we prize goat leather. The softness of the top grain and the beautiful suede finish on the split.
You have to guide it gently at first, let the machine do the heavy lifting to get that softness.
The tension looks perfect right here.
Yeah.
Yes, the hide is completely flat. Yeah.
I'll lock in the settings for the next batch.
The grain on this hide is exceptional. Very soft.
Softness and flexibility confirmed. This passes the quality check. The digital laser applies the grade mark directly onto the hide, ensuring traceability before cold storage.
The heat compresses the fibers nicely, gives it that perfect finish.
Stack complete. Confirming pallet 42.
Safe travels.
See you next week.